Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to be discussing the content of your emails, and we want to talk about that content and what you're going to be putting in your emails before you actually start sending affiliate offers and offering products for them to buy. And it's important to think about this in a couple of different ways, and we want to go through that here in this video. Now, when you choose to send out marketing emails, one of the things you're going to have to just really take seriously is making sure that you're providing value to your subscribers. You really do want them to say subscribed. If you only send sales or marketing emails, your subscribers are likely to get tired. You are just going to be another voice in the crowd. You're going to be just like everybody else. And eventually, when they get tired of marketing emails, they're going to unsubscribe. And that is not what you want to go through all the trouble of building an email list for. Now, one of the questions that new marketers often ask is whether or not to send emails every single day or even more than that. And there is not necessarily any right or wrong answer. This is often going to depend on how your subscriber list really responds to your email. Now, what's most important about when you are sending emails prior to generating a sale or prior to sending offers is that you are consistent. And if you're going to send out an email every day, make sure you're sending out an email every day. Make sure that you're doing it around the same time every day. Making sure that your subscribers are used to your pattern so that they open your email when you get it is going to be important. But then let's just go back to this idea of content. Make sure that you're giving your subscribers value. If they signed up for your list to solve a specific problem, whether it's in their life or in their business, make sure that you are continually giving them opportunities to share with you what it is that they're having problems with so that you can continue to solve those kinds of problems. It's very important, again, so that you maintain the list that you work so hard to build. Every subscriber is really worth a considerable amount of profit to you if you make sure that they're getting value from being a part of your subscriber list. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we actually want to discuss when you're going to be ready to actually start sending marketing emails to your subscriber list. You are ready to start either offering affiliate products, or maybe you have a product of your own that you would like to offer. Regardless, there is going to be a point in time in which you have given your subscribers as much information and education as you are ready to give them, and now it's time for them to have the opportunity to participate with you by looking at an offer that you have for them. Now, when you do this, one of the things that you're going to want to think about here is that when you make money with your subscriber list by sending affiliate offers. Now, we actually do have a resource section for some great products for you to become an affiliate in order to send to your list. But now, it is one of the best ways to actually profit from your subscriber list, to profit from your efforts in marketing online, because once you have either generated a sale or once you have actually gotten someone to opt into your list, this is direct traffic to your offer. Now, when you do this, you will want to write your emails with your subscribers in mind, and you want to talk to them about how they're going to benefit from looking at the affiliate offer. In other words, you don't want to talk a lot about all of the various features of the item or of the offer. You don't want to talk about how wonderful it is. What you really want to talk about to the subscribers is them. They're thinking about themselves. You want to make sure that you let them know that it's all about them and how they're going to benefit. And you want them to have the understanding that what they really want, if they click the link in your email, they're going to actually get that benefit when they follow through. Now, one of the things you want to pay attention to is getting your subscribers to open your email. And you're going to do that by making sure that you have an attention grabbing headline. It's probably the most important part of your email. You want to make sure that your headline literally grabs them by the throat and really gets them to take a look at your email so that they can't resist taking a look at it. So if your subscribers never open your email, well, they'll never get a chance to see your message. So the first part of it is you've got to get their attention. And of course, some of this really comes to knowing your subscribers, and you're going to be doing that as you get them onto your list, and as you interact with them, and as you send them email and they email you back. You're going to start to get a feel for what they're like, and you want to make sure that headline really speaks to them and really gets them anticipated and excited and opening that email. Now, once they've opened that email, your job in the email is to build their anticipation and get them to click the link. So you want to, again, talk about how they're going to benefit. You don't want to talk about the product. You want to talk about them and how they're going to benefit, how they're going to solve their problems once they click that link. And of course, as you do this, you're going to want to make sure that you use some basic statistics inside of your autoresponder account to find out how many people are opening your email. So if you have a list of 100 people and you have a specific headline you use, well, you want to know, hey, how many people responded to that headline? You want to know then, once people opened your email, well, how many people found your message appealing enough in order to click your link. The reason that you want to look at those things is because this is going to help you to improve with your next marketing email. It's very important that you read those statistics. And you may not want to if you're just getting started, and maybe you might feel as if, wow, this didn't go as well as I would have liked it to go. Well, that is really how you're going to want to improve. So do make sure that you look at those statistics. Test, track, and tweak your emails to make sure that you're getting good open rates and that you're getting good response once they've actually opened your email. Marketing to your subscriber list is not going to necessarily be easy, but yet if you will focus on your statistics, focus on providing them a benefit, and focus on getting them to open an email with an attention throat-grabbing email, you will see success in your marketing by email to your subscribers. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing what you're going to be doing in order to keep your customer messages organized. Now, one of the best ways to be effective in your list building and your email marketing is to make sure that you're sending emails to buyers that are different from those who have not yet purchased from you. In other words, you want to treat those two groups of people differently. People who have already spent money, well, you want to make sure that you reward them in some way, or you speak to them so that you know and acknowledge and that you appreciate the fact that they have already purchased from you. And to do this, you're going to want to use a feature that is inside of most autoresponder companies. It is inside of GetResponse, and it is inside of companies like Aweber. You can actually use what's called email automation so that you can treat buyers and prospects differently. Now, when someone buys a product from you or through you, you will want them to be added to a different subscriber list. And one of the ways that you can do that is you might create a great or a fantastic bonus or an additional incentive for your buyers to sign up to a new list. And when they sign up to this new list, they're going to be actually placed and literally taken off of the prospect list. And what this does is it keeps you from having people unsubscribe as they find your messages to be irrelevant. Again, you want to make sure that you are talking in different ways to different kinds of people who are on your subscriber list. Let's take a look at how to do this. Now, inside of GetResponse, you're going to see a link that says automation, and you want to click that link from your dashboard and when you're inside of the list that you are working on. So if you're following along on Get Response, go ahead and click that automation link. Now, when you see this page and you see automation rules, it may seem a little intimidating, but you shouldn't let it be. Now, what you're going to do here is very basic and very simple. You are in a list that you want people to be subscribed to, and all you're saying is that when someone is subscribed to your new list, or when they opt into your list by getting your bonus, you want to make sure that they are removed from another list. And it really is that simple. So all automation does is it removes someone from one list and it puts them on another when they become part of a new list. And so you can play with this in all kinds of ways. Now, GetResponse has some other ways to do that. You can obviously do that upon sale, and if you are a little more advanced, you can do that. But basically, you want to have them added to a list, and then you want to have them removed from the list where they are prospects. It pretty much is that simple, and that will allow you to send two different kinds of emails to two different kinds of subscribers, and it will allow you to generate more sales and keep more people subscribed. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.